Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh has done me. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Nissi. Come and join me. Sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. I can hear you shouting. Sing back to the voice. Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Can I get a witness? Come on, say. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Nissi. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah Jireh. Come and join me. Come and see, oh. Hey. Come on. Can you give the Lord a dance that you have never given him before? Come on. Hey. Say, come and see, oh. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see, oh. Come and Come and see, oh. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see, oh. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. I didn't know favor me this way. I didn't know favor me this way. I didn't know he will favor me this way. Do I have a witness? Come on. Say thank you, thank you. I didn't know you would favor me this way. I didn't know. I didn't know you would favor me this way. I didn't know. I didn't know you would favor me this way. Favor me this way. Thank you, Jesus. I didn't know. I didn't know you would favor me this way. I didn't know. I didn't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. In today's video, I'll be breaking down this Nigerian praise bassline for you guys. So if you're interested, kindly watch the video to the end so that you don't miss anything I'll be teaching you throughout the video, okay? If you're new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. But please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified and you can also give this video a like. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, kindly click on this link or you see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on any of the link. It will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, I don't want to waste much of your time, so grab your bass and let's begin with the lessons. Okay guys, before we start the breakdown, I will be playing the song groove at the starting of this video. So in case the groove didn't start, that means the song I'll be using as an example for this lesson didn't start. Click on this link to go watch the full video, just the praises. Then after you watch the video, then come back and watch the lesson. If in case the song didn't start, that is the groove song didn't start, okay? So now let's begin with the first song, okay? Come and join me, sing hallelujah. So the progression of that song is very, very easy. That is your 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 5. Okay, that is your do 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 so. Okay, and the normal groove you can play for this kind of progression goes like this. Da-da, 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 da-da. Okay, that is a simple groove you can use. Okay, so now I'll be teaching you the bass line groove I played in the song. Okay, so the normal groove, as I said, do mi so ti do mi. Okay, so come and join me, sing hallelujah. So hallelujah goes to the so ti. So I played hallelujah. You see that I've added another bass line to the groove. So ti so. That is your 5 7 5 7 5. Okay, so ti. That is on your so progression. Okay, come and join me, sing hallelujah. Jehovah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so do mi so do do. Okay, dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so now let me teach you that too. So ti fa mi re so do. Okay, if you listen to the groove, I played this chord passing note. Okay, then you start bam 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 bam. Come and join me, sing hallelujah. So ti. You see, you can even apply it throughout the groove. Bam, 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 dun, 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 dun. Okay, so we'll get there. So Jehovah Jireh has done me well. So I played a fills over there dun, to start the song again. So dun. Okay, so dun, 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 dun. So do on your mi so la do mi. You can even do this when you want to slide mi. Okay, it depends. So do mi so la do 3 5 6 1. Okay, you see, so it's very easy. Now let me teach you a groove I played there when I finish playing this. Okay, so do mi. So here it's the progression goes like do fa so. Okay, it's still a do so, but now I brought fa so do fa so. Okay, so so do mi fa la fa re fa so ti. Do mi fa la fa re fa so ti. Then you can do. You should not forget. Okay, so okay, try and remember all this groove. Okay, so in the song I did something like this. This is groove. Okay, you're playing, but you are calculating your bass line. If not, you just miss out. Okay, so you see it's very long. So do. Okay, so do so la do ti la re so. Okay, yeah. So do ti la re so la so. Okay, down to your re fa re la re so fa so do mi. You see. Okay, so you should take it slowly. So another group bass line I played from my do and the so progression goes like this. Bam 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 Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Then you can be adding those grooves. Okay, so it's very simple. Do mi. Then you play your la fa so, so ti. Okay, do mi. You see? Okay, do ti re so do mi. Okay, so the difficult thing in such groove like this is when you are playing, how you can remember them when you are playing. You understand? But it's not compulsory for you to pick everything I'm playing here. You can even add some of your groove, and pick 2 or 3 things I've just taught you. Then you can combine them, and there you go. You can groove with it. Okay. Now let's move to the second song. I'll be doing 2 songs. I don't want to make the video very long. Okay. So in the next videos, I'll be uploading the rest of the lessons. Okay. So now the commentio goes like this. Da 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 da. La ti do. That is 6, 7, and your 1. Okay, and the groove I played on the other progression goes like this. Do so do so. I played the so 2 types of grooves. Okay, so let me teach you. The do goes like this. Do mi do so. Do mi do so. That is on your do progression. Do mi do so. Now to your so. So ti so so. Okay. Da 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 da. So I did this one too like this. Do mi do so do. Then la ti so. Okay. La ti so. Do mi do so do. La ti so. Okay. Then you can practice on this. You see? So when the singer wants to come again, come and see you, then you need to, I'll teach you something here. Okay, so when the singer comes in, come and see, do mi do so do ti la ti do. Come and see you. So they come and see what the Lord has done. The group goes like this. Do mi so la do. Come and see the progression. La re. Come and so do. Come and re. La re. Come and so do. Okay, so I played something like that. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So do re 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 do la re so la mi la re. Okay, that is from your re la re. Okay, do re 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 do la re so la mi la re do re la re so do. Okay, so in the second one, the progression I changed it, so I did it fa la re. So when you're on your do re mi do so do fa. Okay, do re mi do so do fa. So I slide over here fa on your re. Okay, fa re mi so la re re so re la so re so do. Come and see you. So the second one, come and see you. I did something like this. Okay. Come and see the second one. Come and see, oh, come and see. Okay, so do that is on your la. Okay. So do so do la la. Now to your re fa re. Okay, so re fa re la la so pi la re fa re so re so ti so do mi do. Again, re fa re. It's very simple. Okay, you just learn this too. Okay, so I'll be doing the rest as I said earlier. So just learn these two bass line and try and master them. Keep them in your hands, okay, so that if you go out there you can use them and groove with it. Okay, so I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye for now.